Oh, yeah.
Stay the course. Keep going, don't give up. To continue doing what you are doing, even when things get tough. The road is long, but I'll stay the course. Meaning, to continue with a plan, action, or goal, even when it's difficult or losing. Example: sales were down, and there were lots of challenges, but our team decided to stay the course and keep working on our long-term strategy. Let's stay the course and see this through. Origin: the phrase comes from navigation and sailing. To stay the course means to keep a ship moving in the same direction toward its destination, no matter what obstacles or storms arise. Conversation example: this project is taking longer than we thought. Tell me about it. I'm thinking about giving up. Don't quit now. Let's stay the course and finish strong. You're right, let's keep going. We've come too far to stop now. When to use it: when you have a long-term goal, when things get difficult or progress slows, when consistency and persistence are important, when you want to encourage someone to keep going. One step at a time. I will stay the course. Related expressions: keep at it. Continue trying. Don't waver. Stay strong in your decisions. Hold steady. Remain firm and consistent. Keep pressing on. Continue despite challenges. Stay on track. Keep following your plan. Finish what you started. See it through to the end. Key takeaway: success doesn't come from giving up. No matter how tough it gets, stay the course and reach your destination. Brought to you by Idioms Rock.